All right, this chapter is on how to get the money, how to make money, how to have cash from YouTube into your bank account. So the first thing you obviously have to do is, after making all the websites and you started making some practice YouTube videos and so on, and you kind of get the flow going, you're not going to make money day one. You can, but you want those first phase to be just practice and to get yourself started. You need to make yourself an Amazon affiliate link. And to make an Amazon affiliate link, they also want you to be serious too, right? So they want to make sure that you have a website, that you have maybe a social media account that is connected to your theme. The website doesn't even have to be that great. They just want to make sure that you got something, that you're not just, some random person that's just wasting Amazon's time to try to get an affiliate link for nothing, right? That you are actually serious about it and you want to start making commission, because you make an average of 4% commission on Amazon affiliate links. So make sure you have a website, free website through WordPress or any other websites that's out there. And if you put the Amazon affiliate links on your website and people click on it, you will get a 4% on that link. So every time I make a video, I always mention like, hey guys, I got a link below of the stuff that I'm talking about, and I want you to check it out. And that's fair, right? Because there's some people that's like, oh, you're trying to make money. We're all trying to make money. We need to make money to live. And it's encouraging for us to make some money, for us to take time off and do this kind of work. And it's not taking any money away from them. If they click on it and take a look at it, we're not taking their money. If they click on it and buy something, we're not taking their money. It's not like as if they're paying more. Sometimes you're hooking them up with a discount code. So you're sometimes even helping them save money. But the company like Amazon will reward you for being their advertiser and give you that 4%. So Amazon affiliate link is important. And make yourself an account. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Clickbank is another great option for you to have. Clickbank is another affiliate link. There's so many companies that would go and sell their stuff, like supplements and books and training videos and things like that. And if you sell their stuff, you actually get more commission. You might even get like 20% commission on some of their products compared to 4% on Amazon. But everybody shops at Amazon. So Amazon first, and then Clickbank if you got something in there that you feel like you could really do a good job. So that's its own business, right? Affiliate links, Amazon affiliate, Clickbank is its own business. If you weren't even making YouTube videos, you could actually have an affiliate link and then make ads on Instagram, on Facebook. And when people buy from that ad, because you see it all the time, I just scrolling through your Facebook, Instagram, you always see ads, oh, buy this, buy that. And if they actually buy something from your affiliate link, then you get the commission. So affiliate link is its own business. If you decide you don't want to do YouTube video, you could just get an affiliate link like supplement from Clickbank or Amazon, advertise it like crazy. You put in, let's say, $1 to advertise, then you get $2 back. So that's how this business works. And a lot of people are doing it. You don't have to have YouTube channel to make money right away. All right, so another way of making money is having a Teespring account. This is a free account for you to make t-shirts and make a commission out of it. So I have this t-shirt right here. If you're interested in a Tesla Model 3 t-shirt, I have the Teespring link below. You could even just take a look at it. Before, to make t-shirts, you would have to hire a company, have it pre-made, boxes, and then you would have to mail it out. Now it doesn't even work that way. You could have companies like Teespring have an account, upload a graphic, and then sell it, you will make a commission out of it. So for example, they need a minimum. A t-shirt, they need to make about $12, $13, $16 minimum for that t-shirt, for all their work, right? So you need to sell it a little bit more. So your t-shirt needs to be like $27, $30, and so on. And then you can make from $6, $5, $10 per sale. Obviously, you need a lot of views to get that enough people to click on your t-shirt to buy it. And of course, if you want to really be successful, you need to create a brand with your shirt, right? You can't just say, hey, buy a shirt, and then not many people will get it, but some will. But if you decide, you know what, I want to brand this, I want to do good at making apparels, because this website has t-shirts, tank tops, pants, backpacks, I mean, you name it, they got it all. And they make it super, super easy for you to upload a graphic and make a t-shirt and start making money right off the bat. So one website that I went to, I use Adobe for my work. I'm a videographer, photographer, so I use Adobe Photoshop and so on. So Adobe has a website, Adobe Express, where you could create a template of t-shirts and it's already pre-designed, and you just double click on it and then you change the text, and you double click on it and you change the images. They already have bunch of royalty-free stock images that you can use. So you don't even have to be a professional graphic designer to have t-shirts. Simple is the key. They already have so many templates. You can make your own t-shirts and sell it. That's another business in itself. You could make your own t-shirt with teespring.com of like Valentine's Day, holiday, whatever cool things, photography or us, whatever fun stuff you could come up with. And then you could advertise it, pinpointing it to the people that could relate to that t-shirt theme. Maybe it's corgis, right? Who doesn't love corgis? Maybe you got a set of corgi t-shirts. And if you advertise it for people that's got corgis on Facebook and Instagram, then people might buy that shirt and you could make money. Teespring.com t-shirt business is its own business that you could just do alone and make money. But now you could link it with your YouTube channel. That's extra money. So right now, when I sell my t-shirts, I just have a link on the description. But once you have 10,000 subscribers, it will actually appear on the bottom section, a little images of t-shirts that people could actually click on. So YouTube rewards you. If you're 10,000 subscribers or more, they're like, this guy is serious, this person is serious, we're gonna help them make more money. So then they will put those apparels underneath. And it's cool that your viewers could get a cool t-shirt that they actually wanted, like my Tesla shirts or photography shirt and so on. And then you make a little something on the side as well too. So teespring.com, create an account, start selling. Even if you don't have a lot of views right now and a lot of subscribers for YouTube, you could start selling. Make an account, put up a design, and sell it to your friends. Put it on your Facebook page. Put it on your Instagram. Hey guys, I'm doing a t-shirt sale right now, limited time. Just please, buy and so on. Maybe you want to make a t-shirt for your team, bowling team, baseball team, chess club team. Teespring is another great way to actually make affordable t-shirts, and they have great quality shirts too. So check that out. Think about ways of making money with your t-shirts from that. All right, guys. So my last information about YouTube on how to make money is that once you start getting subscribers and once your videos are getting views, you're going to become an influencer, right? There's going to be companies out there that's going to contact you and say, hey, I want to send you this, I want to send you that. Can you make a video for us? And then in return, we'll let you keep that item or even pay you. So, as a beginner right now, I'm getting a bunch of cool free stuff that I get to kind of play with and that I actually want to use. Like, my video lights, I got a bunch of Tesla accessories and things like that. My friend who does music, YouTube videos, he's got like $1,000 ukulele that was given to him. And of course, once you're serious, once you start doing the serious subscriber numbers, 100,000 subscriber, 50,000 subscriber and more, that's when you make the real money. That's when the companies will pay you $10, $20, $30,000 for you to give them a shout out and to talk about their product. So, that's what it's all about in the very end, right? We're all just making videos to share our passion so that we could have this video that will live on online forever for our kids to see. We get to have fun doing it. We get to network and meet people all around the world. There's so many things that is so beneficial into starting your own YouTube channel. You'd have to do it. I definitely recommend it. So, guys, if you haven't yet, go out there, make that first video. Don't make it perfect. Just do it and upload it. And then just take one step at a time. Don't think about the end goal. Don't think about the high quality video cameras and LED lights and multiple shooters and multiple angles. Don't even think about all that. One step at a time. Get that camera, get that phone camera, get the tripod, film yourself. Forget the tripod. Just hold it and just film yourself talking. So go out there, make your dreams come true, live the life that you deserve, make the money, So many great things to talk about when it comes to like doing this, right? Do it. You can do it. Don't ever think that it's saturated. I'm making money. You could make the money too. And I want you to make the money. Okay? So please don't be a wimp. Don't be a procrastinator. Don't be lazy. Make that first YouTube video. Don't make it perfect. Just upload and keep doing it. All right. So if you watched it all the way through, thank you so much. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you next time.